When the Florida sun beats down on Tampa, homeowners know their energy bills can skyrocket. Keeping indoor temperatures comfortable without overspending can feel like a balancing act, especially in summer. One of the smartest ways to reduce utility costs while improving comfort is by installing energy-efficient windows. These modern solutions not only make your home more sustainable but also deliver lasting financial savings. Why energy efficiency matters in Tampa. Tampa's warm and humid climate means air conditioning systems often run year-round. Standard single-pane windows allow significant heat transfer, making your HVAC system work overtime. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed to minimize this transfer, keeping cool air in and hot air out. This not only lowers your monthly bills but also helps your air conditioner last longer, reducing maintenance and replacement costs over time. How energy-efficient windows work. Energy-efficient windows feature advanced technology that enhances insulation and minimizes heat gain. Here's what makes them effective. Low E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low E coatings reflect infrared light, keeping heat outside during summer and retaining warmth in cooler months. This thin, invisible layer also filters harmful UV rays, protecting furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. Multiple panes. Double or triple pane windows trap air or inert gases, like argon or krypton, between the layers, acting as an insulating barrier. The more panes, the better the thermal performance and noise reduction. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes improves insulation, further reducing heat transfer through the glass. Quality frames. Frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials resist temperature fluctuations better than aluminum, reducing condensation and improving efficiency. The financial benefits. Energy-efficient windows can reduce your heating and cooling costs by up to 30% annually. In Tampa's hot climate, that's a significant return on investment. Homeowners also benefit from lower HVAC strain. Reduced energy demand means fewer system repairs. Potential tax credits and rebates. Federal energy efficiency programs often reward upgrades. Increased property value. Buyers appreciate energy savings and modern aesthetics. Enhanced comfort. Even temperatures, reduced drafts, and lower humidity make homes more livable year-round. While the initial installation cost might seem high, the long-term savings typically outweigh it within a few years. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for Tampa. Not all windows are created equal. When selecting new windows for your Tampa home, look for Energy Star certification. These windows meet strict energy efficiency guidelines for Florida's climate zone. U factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC. Choose windows with a low U factor for insulation and a low SHGC for heat resistance. Proper installation. Even the best windows fail to perform efficiently if not installed correctly. Always hire certified installers experienced with Florida's unique weather conditions. Additionally, consider window tinting or reflective coatings to further block the sun's heat while maintaining natural light indoors. Environmental and lifestyle benefits. Beyond savings, energy-efficient windows play a role in protecting the planet. Reduced electricity usage means lower greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. Tampa homeowners who switch to energy-efficient windows also enjoy quieter homes, better air quality, and increased security, since modern windows often feature stronger materials and locking systems. Final thoughts for Tampa residents. Energy-efficient windows are more than just a home improvement. They're a smart investment in comfort, savings, and sustainability. By upgrading your windows, you'll keep your home cooler, cut down on utility costs, and help the environment, all while boosting your property's appeal. Whether you're building a new home or replacing outdated windows, now is the perfect time to make the switch. In a climate as warm and bright as Tampa's, every degree and every dollar saved makes a difference.